Hello guys, how are you? Today I come with another edit. Go to the sticker and search working glass. Then select the blend mode to add. Apply the adjustment like the numbers I wrote.
What a show, call off your circus, all your jokes gone.